In this video, I will be showing you how to format your tables here in Google Slides. So if you have inserted a table or added a table to your slides and you want to format it to look something like this, all you have to do would be to resize it, change the border color, border dash, and even the border weight. You can also change the fill color for each of those cells inside those tables, and you would have your table looking like this. So let's go ahead and recreate this. First, we are going to start with a blank slide, then insert our table. To insert your table, just go to Insert here in the menu bar, then select Table right here on the right side. You can now select how many cells you want inside your table. So I'm going to do a 3x3. Click on that, and here we have it. So to resize your tables, all you have to do would be to hover over the sides of your table, the top, the bottom, and even the corners. So you can resize these either way, like so. There you have it. Or you can adjust the sides, the top, and the bottom. And there you have it. With each resize, all of the cells within your table will all have equal sizes. So if I want to reposition this, I'm just going to hover over to the sides, to the borders right here, then drag it to where I want to place it. Center that, and there you have it. So now we have a square table with 3x3 cells within. So that's 9 cells within our table. And the first thing that you might want to do would be to change the weight of your borders right here. So to change the weight of your borders, let's go ahead and select the entire table. There you go. Then go to border weight here in the toolbar. If I click on that, here are my options. So if I want to make it thicker, I'm just going to go to 3 points right here. Click on the outside, and there you have it. If I want to change the color of my borders for this table, I'm going to go to the border color, again, still in the toolbar, click on that, and let's make it a black one. There you have it. Now for each individual cell within that table, if you want to change the fill color, all you have to do is to click on that cell. Then go to fill color right here and select the color that you want for that cell. There you have it. But if you want to apply the same color to all of your cells, just select everything, go to fill color again, and select your color. There you have it. But since we are recreating something like this one right here, so we're going to change the fill color for each of these cells individually. So I'm going to select this again, then go to the blue one. There you have it. Change that for the rest of my cells. So now I've successfully changed the colors of each of these cells within my table. Now what about my borders? So you'll see that for each of the cells, you also have the drop down, so you can select what you're going to do for each of the sides within your table. If I select this one right here, then change the border color into white, there you have it. I've successfully changed the border color for that one cell. If I go to the next one, and go to the drop down and select something else. Let's say we just want the top border to be selected and changed into a white one. There you have it. But if you want to select everything, change it into a white one, you can go ahead and click on the drop down, select this one right here, which will select all of the borders within your table. Then go to the border color and select white. And there you have it. Now, what about our border dash? So in our illustration right here, we have a border dash that's different within our table. So we're going to do that. Let's select, again, everything within our table. Go to the drop down and select this one right here. So this is the inner border. If we click on it, you'll see that only the inner borders are selected now. Go to your border dash here in the toolbar and select these dots. And there you have it. And now we have successfully recreated the table that we have in our example right here, maybe just a bit bigger because our border weight here is at 2 points. And here in our recreation, we have 3 points. If we change this into 2 points, there you have it. So that's how you can format your tables to have a different look here in Google Slides. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.